Good morning friends, welcome to Option Achievers channels. If you are new to the channel, please click on the subscribe button, and after that there will be a bell icon come, just click on that. You can see lot of videos are uploaded. Whenever you have some doubt, please watch these videos again and again so that you will get clear. And in case if you have some queries, please put a comments and I will either will make a new video to clear the doubts, at least I will reply to your comments. Okay, so there are so many important videos are there, you can watch it. Today is not an option selling day, today is going to be option buyers day. That is what my prediction is. Even though I'm not a regular option buyer, on specific day I used to do option buying, and today I choose to do option buying. So if you see that 11,700 call option, 2,250 quantity, I am placing an order. Already I am placed an order of 35 rupees. So currently it is trading at from 35 it came up to 36.5 rupees. Yeah, small profit of 3,375 rupees profit. But as you see, today is going to be an option buyer's day. It's going to be a false breakout day. So we'll see what is the false breakout day. There is a separate video on the false breakout strategy. Please go through that video, and if you see today it's clearly going to be a false breakout strategy. After seeing this Nifty video, you can understand that after a big red candle it is going up, so which means the breakout may happen in some time. So I already already bought some position at 35 rupees, but currently it is having a loss of 6,525. I know that during this false breakout this kind of loss will come, and if you see now the time at this time 35 rupees, it's going to be 45 rupees. So I am in a profit of at least 10%. I mean 10 rupees profit for a quantity of 2250. So the total profit comes around 37,000 rupees. So so far so good, and we are expecting this Nifty may go up by another 50 points or something. Currently it is trading around 11,700. So we are expecting that it may go up another 50 points. Currently the market is trading around 1130, so the profit comes around 73,687 rupees. So far so good. The profit has achieved by the time just before 10 o'clock itself. Now if you see the false breakout, the first candle is a big red deal. After that it was full up candles. So from this thing you can clearly understand that why did I say it is going to be a false breakout. False breakout means the first candle will be clear red, after that it will be going full positive. Now the time is around 10:20, and if you see the market already reached 11,041. We were expecting it will cross 11,750 or something, but already 741 is reached, and the option price reached double. From 35 it reached to 78. It's almost double the price that you can see it here, and the profit also you can see it here for the quantity that we have here. So by the time 10:30 itself we reached our profits, but our targets also reached 750. I'm not sure whether the market will go up further or go down further. Anyway, if it is reached, that's okay. After that, if you see around 1.7, again the market is at the same place. From 35 it came down to 73 rupees, which means from 10:30 till 1 o'clock it was a option seller day. But during the option selling, if you see, there was so much ups and down in today's trend. That is why I said today is the option buyer day. Option buying day, unless if you don't put the stop loss, that is fine for you. When you put the stop loss, these kind of things will happen. The stop loss will get hit easily. If you see the today's intraday, the option selling people would have put a stop loss if you are doing a intraday, because option selling takes huge money, and people who wish to do with less margin, they used to put a stop loss, and their stop loss may hit easily during the option buyer day. So we have to choose which one is option buyer, which one is option seller. So there is a separate technical things that how to predict on those things. If you see the current market is 11,729, and our option price from 35 it came down to 67. There was a small crash happened. So today whenever there is a crash, we are going to use that option and we are going to buy at this price. So again I bought 11,750 call option, another 750 small quantity at the price of 38, and that is moving somewhere else around 43.75 rupees. So we can use this strategy buy on tips today. Now the market is around 2:15, this is the time, so this time also we are using buy on tips. Yes, so far so good. We are still in a good position, even though we did not use all the options that we came. See, once we refresh, the market is giving a 49.5 rupees as a profit. The 35 rupees it's moved to 79.85. So far so good. I think by this position, by at this place itself, we can square off the positions, because our target 11,751 already reached. So beyond this, we don't have any hope that it may go up. After that, it may slightly crash and it may bounce back, or only that thing may happen, because we have reached the target for today. So for the market, the fuel is over. So let us check. So market has slightly increased some more, and our option price 35 it reached to 91, and the 338 also reached to 58. So I think the fuel is over, but still some exhaust is happening. So this is the highest profit that can occur during this day. I hope we can square off at this place itself. Anyway, instead of squaring off, if we keep the position, now the time is 2:36. See, the profit has reduced a little bit, and market has come down to 748. So we can assure that it may not go beyond 11,750, but still as a greedy we can keep, but we have to keep a trailing stop loss. So maybe the buying price is 35, and if you see market is at the time of 245, and the last trade price reduced from so much point to 67 rupees. And if you see the spot price, that is also 11,734. The market has crashed only 20 points from 750 or 760 to 730 or 736, but the option price has reduced drastically for us. So our profit also got reduced, but it is okay. We are still in a good profit only. So we will wait for some more time. Maybe if it goes up, we can sell it. Even if it is not going up, we are still in a good profit, so we can sure sell it at this good price. Currently the time is 2:53. For the 2:53, the market spot price is 11,723. For this 11,723, the market has crashed so much, so we thought of buying additional buy on dips. So currently it is trading around 39. Earlier we placed a 750 quantity of 38 rupees. So as market has went up and came down, so we thought of placing some more order. So I just placed an order 675 quantity for the price of 35. In case from the price 39, if it reduced to 35, we can buy some more things, because we are using the strategy buy on dips. But so far it did not get executed. So let us wait for some more time. Market is going to finish 2:54 p.m. It seems coming down a little bit, 38.40 rupees. Will it hit 35 or not? It's a question mark. And the time is keeps going on 7:30, and market regained back to 730 rupees. So our option price is also increased from 38 rupees to 41 rupees. So this 675 did not get executed. In case if it comes below 35 rupees, it would get executed, but it did not get executed. Now the time is 3 o'clock. We are still waiting without closing the positions. We should have closed when the market reached 11,750 at the time, but we did not close at the time. We missed the good profit. Anyway, instead of option selling, we choose option buying today because the market has very big volatility, huge ups and downs. If we do a option selling in intraday with a stop loss, for sure our stop loss will get hit. That is why I told you today is the option buying day and we are going to do option buying. How to choose option buying day or option selling day? There is a separate techniques are there, so that I can teach you in some other videos. Now the time is 3 o'clock 2 minutes, but still the market is 11,731. Market is almost stable at this point. Market just moved some 5 points here and there. From 730 it is moving to 730, 35, 34. Our call option price is just moving 1 rupees above, 2 rupees above, that's all. I'm trying to cancel the order which I put it for 35. It never get executed. So it's better to cancel at this time because market is fluctuating heavily. Now the time is 3:11, so better to cancel it. I cancelled the order. My request has sent to exchange, so no worries. We'll see what is our position. Still I have the same open position, 2250 quantity, buying price 35, current price 72, and another 750 quantity, buying price 38 and current price 43. So that's all for today. We are going to close our positions because the time is almost over. So it's better to square up all the positions immediately with this profit. So why did I say option buying day? Everything I explained throughout the video. And in case if you have any queries, you can put a comments and then I will happy to help you. People who are all new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, bell icon will come. Just click the bell icon. If you like the video, click the like video and share it with the others. Thank you. See you in your next good video. Bye bye.